Step 1. Creating stairs by component. Go to the Architecture tab, then click Stair. From the drop-down, select Stair by component. In the Properties palette, choose the stair type you want. For this exercise, we will use a stair with a riser height of 150 millimeters and a tread depth of 300 millimeters. Make sure the base level is set to level 1 and the top level is set to level 2. This will create a stair that connects level 1 to level 2 with a total height of 3 meters. Now, move your cursor to the draw area. Choose the Run tool. Click to start the first point of the stair. Move up until you reach 16 risers, then click to place the run. Revit automatically creates the landing and shows the message, 16 risers created, 0 remaining. Click Finish Edit Mode, and your stair is now complete. Go to a 3D view to see the stair between level 1 and level 2. Step 2. Creating stairs by sketch using reference lines. Now, let's create another stair using the sketch method. This is useful when you already have reference lines or a custom stair shape drawn in the model. Go to the Architecture tab, Stair, Stair by Sketch. Revit will switch to sketch mode. In the Draw area, you will see the reference lines already drawn in your model. These lines will help you define the exact shape of the stair. First, click Boundary, then trace the reference lines on both sides of the stair to define its width. Next, click Riser and draw each riser one by one along the reference direction. Go to the stair path to determine the direction of the stair. Determine the start point and the finish point. When you're done, click Finish Edit Mode. Click Flick the stair to change the direction of the stair. When you're done, click Finish Edit Mode. Revit will automatically create the stair based on your custom sketch. This method is perfect for irregular shapes or stairs that need to follow a specific design line.